Let's practice measuring and make chocolate mug cakes today. I have all my ingredients and measuring tools ready. I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup today, a tablespoon, and a 1/2 teaspoon. Make sure you read the sides of the measuring tools because it tells you what the measurements are. First, my flour. I need a 1/4 cup. Because flour is powdery, I'm going to spoon it in. We don't want to compact the flour, we want to keep it fluffy. Mound it up and then level it off with the flat side of a knife. In the cup. Now my cocoa powder is very similar. I'm going to use my tablespoon for this. Normally you wouldn't have to spoon this in because it's such a small measurement, but cocoa powder is so fine that I'm going to spoon it in anyways. Last one in the cup. Make sure you level it first. Now for my sugar. Because sugar is granular, we can just shake it and then level it off with the back side of a knife. There's no need to spoon that in. We need a pinch of salt, and we need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Level it with the side of the container. Now for my chocolate chips. You can just scoop those and shake them to level. For my liquids, I need some oil and water. My water has been measured at eye level to make sure it's exactly 1/4 cup. For the oil, make sure you measure it over a plate or something similar, not over the container. You don't want it extra to spill into your mug cakes. And because it's a small amount, we're going to use the spoons. Now another spoon to mix. Make sure you really scrape the sides of the cup. If there's any remaining flour in the corners, it will burn. Once it's totally mixed, pop it in the microwave. And a couple minutes later, you have your mug cake. Happy measuring, everybody!